5 times in Earth's history, life almost completely disappeared. Entire worlds vanished. Oceans turned toxic. Forests collapsed. And each time, the planet quietly rebuilt itself, as if pressing a cosmic reset button. But here is the unsettling question. If Earth erased life 5 times before, could it happen again? Tonight, we travel deep into the ancient past to uncover the 5 mass extinctions of Earth and the terrifying forces powerful enough to wipe out entire ages of life. One of these extinctions killed 96% of all life on Earth. Another extinction ended the reign of dinosaurs in a single catastrophic moment. But the most shocking discovery is that the deadliest extinction may not have been caused by an asteroid at all. To understand these disasters, we must travel back more than 450 million years, long before dinosaurs walked the Earth. The first mass extinction, the Ordovician catastrophe. At this time, life was still mostly confined to the oceans. Strange armored creatures crawled across the seafloor. Trilobites thrived in enormous numbers. Coral reefs stretched across ancient seas. Then something dramatic happened. The planet began to cool rapidly. Massive glaciers formed across the southern supercontinent Gondwana. Sea levels dropped dramatically. Entire shallow seas disappeared, and with them, countless marine species vanished forever. Around 85% of all species disappeared in this first mass extinction. But Earth was only getting started. The second mass extinction, the Devonian collapse. Hundreds of millions of years later, Earth was changing again. The seas were now filled with giant armored fish, some longer than a modern car. Coral reef ecosystems had become some of the most complex environments on Earth. Then suddenly, they began to die. Oxygen levels in the oceans dropped dramatically. Entire marine ecosystems suffocated. Scientists still debate the exact cause. Some evidence suggests massive volcanic activity. Others point to global climate shifts triggered by the spread of early forests. But the result was the same. Nearly 75% of species disappeared during this long and mysterious extinction event. Yet the worst extinction in Earth's history was still to come. The next extinction nearly erased life itself. The third mass extinction, the Great Dying. Around 252 million years ago, something truly catastrophic happened. Scientists call it the Great Dying, and for good reason. An estimated 96% of all marine species disappeared. On land, about 70% of vertebrate species went extinct. Whole ecosystems collapsed. The likely culprit? One of the largest volcanic eruptions in planetary history, the Siberian Traps. For hundreds of thousands of years, enormous volcanic eruptions flooded the landscape with lava. The atmosphere filled with carbon dioxide. Global temperatures soared. Oceans became acidic and oxygen-starved. Life on Earth nearly ended. But somehow, a few survivors endured. Among them were the distant ancestors of dinosaurs. The fourth mass extinction, the Triassic disaster. By this time, dinosaurs had begun to appear, but they were not yet the rulers of Earth. Many other reptile groups dominated the land. Then another extinction struck. Around 201 million years ago, massive volcanic eruptions again shook the planet. These eruptions released enormous amounts of greenhouse gases. Climate instability followed. Many dominant reptile groups disappeared, and suddenly, the ecological stage was empty. Dinosaurs stepped into that vacancy and began their rise to dominance. For the next 135 million years, they ruled the planet. But even their reign would not last forever. What ended the age of dinosaurs may have happened in a single day. The fifth mass extinction, the asteroid impact. 66 million years ago, dinosaurs ruled every continent. Giant predators hunted across vast landscapes. Towering herbivores shook the ground with every step. Then the sky changed. A massive asteroid, roughly 10 kilometers wide, slammed into Earth near what is now Mexico. The impact released energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. Shock waves circled the globe. Mega tsunamis swept across oceans. Wildfires ignited across continents. Dust and debris filled the atmosphere. Sunlight vanished for months, possibly years. Plants died, food chains collapsed, and the dinosaurs, the dominant animals of Earth for over 100 million years, disappeared. But here is the shocking twist. Dinosaurs did not completely go extinct. A small group survived. They were smaller, feathered, and capable of flight. Today, those surviving dinosaurs are everywhere around us. We simply call them birds. Final scientific twist. The age of dinosaurs did not truly end. It simply transformed. Every sparrow, every eagle, every pigeon is a living descendant of ancient dinosaurs. And the deeper we study fossils and ancient rocks, the clearer one truth becomes. Mass extinctions are not the end of life on Earth. They are the moments when evolution changes direction. Entire worlds disappear, but new ones rise from the ruins, which leads to one final unsettling thought. Scientists believe we may already be entering a sixth mass extinction. And if history has taught us anything, it is that life on Earth always survives. The real question is, will we?